Hey guys, this is Chris from Gadget Voice, and today we are unboxing the brand new ROG Flow X13 laptop. We just received this package and we are probably the first ones to receive it in this region. So let's quickly unbox the device and see what's inside. I'm just opening up the box right now, and as you can see over here, you have the laptop and the carry case. So I'll just quickly remove the contents of the box and keep it aside. So that's the carry case as well. We've two boxes over here, but yeah, nothing inside the box. So first, let's see the carry case. So this is the carry case. Let it open. Quickly open it up and see how it looks like. It's a quite neat looking carry case. You can see Republic of Gamers over here on the sides, and the quality of the material is quite good. You can see the zip also is like the hideaway zip over here. If you open it up, that's how it looks like. You got a small pouch as well in the box. I presume this is for the external GPU that they will be shipping with the Supernova edition of the same laptop, which will be out in the second quarter of 2021. The pricing of that, we will be disclosing that towards the end of the video. And inside this you will see there's a carry case and a strap. So that's the strap for the carry case, and this is for your keychain as well. So we'll quickly keep this aside and then open up the box which contains the Flow X13. So this is the box that contains the Flow X13. So I'll just quickly open up the box and reveal the laptop inside. So that's how it looks like. It's quite slim looking, pretty slim for a powerful laptop that packs in AMD processor and GeForce graphics from Nvidia. So I'll just remove the plastic sleeve and we'll take a look at the specifications of this laptop. So the laptop comes with an 8-core AMD Ryzen 9 5900HS CPU, and it also comes with dedicated Nvidia GeForce GTX 1650 graphics inside. You also get up to 32 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage space, which is M.2 NVMe SSD storage. And as you can see, like, they have a metallic shiny looking artwork over here which explains everything. So it has the 7nm mobile CPU. You have support for the ROG XG Mobile, which is the external GPU that ships along with the Nova Supernova series. You can buy this separately as well to use with this laptop, but then the Supernova edition comes along with this. And it's a convertible design, so obviously it has a 360-degree hinge over here, which can go 360 degree. It can flip 360 degree and can go from laptop to gaming to drawing and presenting modes. So I'll just show you over here. So this is the 360 degree hinge, as you can see, going from laptop to tablet mode. And it's a touchscreen display on the front, which has Gorilla Glass on the front, protecting the display. It's a 13-inch display, as you can see, and the design is quite sturdy. The overall build quality is fantastic. I mean, it's a mix of glass, metal, and hard plastic. The edges are quite thin. In terms of connectivity, you can see over here, it's a Type A USB port over here and a Type C USB port, which is probably for powering the device as well. At the back, it has the vents over here for heat dissipation, and on the left edge of the device, you will find the HDMI port and the audio port, which is an audio combo 3.5mm audio jack. And opening this up again, you will see how neatly this is designed. It's a 13-inch laptop, so obviously it's pretty slim and neat looking. It weighs around 1.3 kgs. That's what it says on the paperwork. And if you look at the slimness of the device, it's only 15.8 mm thin. So when you close it, it's 15.8 mm thin on the edges. On the front, on the lid, you have a nice finish over here that's going around, and you can see the Republic of Gamers ROG logo as well over here in metallic. And if you see at the back, you will see the speaker grills as well, the vent and the speaker grills. So let's keep the Flow X13 aside and see what we get more into the box. So let me again open up the box. You can see there's a ROG paper sleeve as well. If you open up the paper sleeve, you can see all sort of paperwork coming in here. So that's the warranty information, the safety information, something in Arabic, and you also get the pen, the Asus pen, which can be used with this device as well, since it's a touchscreen already. We'll keep this aside as well. And you have the power brick, which is very small looking power brick, and it's powered of course by the USB-C port. So you will get a USB connector as well on the power brick, and it's a small looking power brick which goes pretty well with a 13-inch laptop. Usually for gaming laptops you will see the huge power bricks that you carry around, which may be around 1.5 kilos themselves. This is a 1.3 kg device, so this power brick will go very well with the size of the device. And that's all we have inside the box. So let's boot up the device and see the specs. So as you can see, there's 16 GB of RAM on this device, and you also get the AMD Ryzen 9 series processor, and this is the 5900HS. That is running at a clock speed of 3.3 gigahertz. We will also see what kind of storage capacity we get with this device. So that's about 1 terabyte of M.2 NVMe SSD storage that we're getting with this device. Obviously, since it's M.2 NVMe SSD, the performance will be quite good, and since it's an ROG device, they are positioning this as a slim and light gaming laptop which can be carried around, since it's just 13 inches screen size and it weighs just 1.3 kilograms. We'll click on the Asus Armored Crate, and this is how it looks like. Let's see, I agree. And you can control everything from cooling to CPU to the noise reduction on the device, along with energy saving capabilities and the GPU performance. You can also sync the Aura effects, which is the color effects on the keyboard, with other devices that you might plug into this laptop. So the pricing of the ROG Flow X13, the one that you have just seen in this video, is 6,999 dirhams. And there is also a Supernova edition which will be available in the Q2 of 2021 for a price of 13,999 dirhams. And even if you buy this laptop at 6,999, you will be able to buy the external GPU from Asus, from ROG, and use that with this particular device to increase the graphics capability of the device. So obviously this comes at 6,999 dirhams, and we will be putting this through a series of tests. So stay tuned for the full review on GadgetVoice.com.